I'm going to make a big, easy heart pendant. I assemble my tools, pliers, wire, and a ruler for measuring. I pull a length of wire off of the spool, and then I straighten the wire with my wire straightening pliers. I measure the wire, and then I cut it from the spool. I again use my ruler to figure out where the center point of the wire is. Then I'll make a mark. I use a pair of pliers and my fingers to make a bend in the wire. This is how I will begin to shape my heart. This project is great for someone who is just learning to solder, so I really hope you enjoy the video. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up. I use my pliers to bend both ends of the wire inward to create a heart shape. Then I use my fingers and a pair of pliers to help further shape the wire. I do this until I'm happy with the heart shape. Once I'm happy with the shape, I use my wire cutting pliers to cut off any tail ends of wire that need to be trimmed. I assemble my soldering station with lead-free solder, a soldering iron, and liquid flux. I coat my wire heart with flux. I heat up my soldering iron and use the hot soldering iron to apply lead-free solder all over the wire. Then I connect the two ends of wire to form my heart. I add extra drops of solder for decoration. Once I am happy with my design, I will wash it and dry it to remove the dirt and the flux. When my project is clean and dry, I give it a quick polish with a soft cloth. To turn my pendant into a necklace, I will simply thread a chain through the heart. I can also use my heart not as jewelry, but as a decoration for my home. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you enjoyed this project. If you'd like to learn how to solder like me, be sure to check out my jewelry making playlist for lots of unique and creative projects. I'll soon be offering exclusive content, such as special in-depth tutorials and other goodies on my Patreon, so stay tuned. That will be coming up in the near future. I'll see you next time.